Hello students, here I Priya Satya welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video we have discussed about division of rational numbers. Now today I am going to discuss with you exercise 3D. Right? Before starting I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name class section in the comment box for daily attendance. Now start exercise 3D. I'm starting with sum number 1, 8th part. Right? So in that case you have to multiply these three rational numbers. Minus 225 by 1050 into 729 by 200 into 25 by 81. So in that case first you have to check numerators and denominators. Can you cancel out? Yes. So here 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 0. Right? Now 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. Now further you can cancel out these two. 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9. Again 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Now these two you can cancel out with 5 first. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 0. Then further you can simplify with 5, 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. Now you can't cancel out. Clear? Now multiply 3. You can further cancel out with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. Now you can't cancel out. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. When you will multiply 9 3s are 27 and negative sign. Here one time negative sign is coming, so with the answer you have to apply negative sign. So minus 27 upon 14 8s are 112. So minus 27 upon 112 will be the answer. Right? Now sum number 4th, first part. In that you have to solve this equation. So we will solve this equation using BODMAS, right? So according to BODMAS, first you have to solve bracket. So here you have to solve bracket only first. 8 and 4 LCM is 8. 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2 plus 3. So 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 8. When you will solve, then what will come? 5 by 8 will come. Right? And rest of whole equation remains as it is. One time, one operation you will do. Clear? First we are solving bracket. So till bracket you have to solve and remaining whole equation you have to write. You can't solve uh, two operation together. You can't do two operation together, right? So remaining whole equation you have to write as it is, of 8 by 25 divided by 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 9. So when 5 by 8 will come, then of 8 by 25 divided by 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 9. Right? Now you have to solve of, because order, after bracket you have to solve order. Order means of and of means multiply. Right? So here numerator with denominator you can cancel. 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Now multiply numerators. 1 1s are 1 upon 5 1s are 5. Right? Remaining whole equation you have to write as it is. Divided by 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 9. Right? Now after order you have to divide. So division you have to do first. 1 by 5. Convert this division sign into multiplication. So 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 9. Right? Now division you have converted into multiplication. Now you can do multiplication, right, after division. So solve these three rational number together. Can you cancel out anything from numerator and denominator? No. So we have to multiply all the numerators together first. 3 ones are 3 and 3 only will come in numerator, and denominator will be 5 twos are 10, 10 fours are 40. Minus 3 by 2 plus 9. Right? Now after multiplication you have to do addition. So when you will solve these two rational numbers, plus minus will be minus. So here you have to do subtraction, but we need addition. So we have to add these two rational numbers first, right? 3 by 40 plus 9. Then only addition will come. Plus plus same sign, addition. Clear? So you have to solve 3 by 40 plus 9 minus 3 by 2. I have just rearranged all these three numbers, right? Now solve these two. There is no denominator, so you can write 1. 40 and 1 LCM is 40. 40 ones are 40 and 3 ones are 3. Here 40 into 9 is 360 minus 3 by 2, right? 360 plus 3 is 363 upon 40 minus 3 by 2. Clear? Now take LCM. LCM of 40 and 2 is 40. 40 ones are 40 and 363 as it is will come. And when you will divide 40 by 2 is 20 will come, and 23s are 60, right? When you will subtract, then 303 by 40 will come. Clear? And don't leave your answer till here. You have to convert into mixed fraction. So when you will convert, then 47s are 280 and 303 minus 280 will be 23 by 40. So 7 whole 23 by 40 will be the answer. Clear? Now seventh numerical, by what number should 60 whole 8 by 15 be divided to get 10 whole 4 by 5? So let that number to be divided be x. Right? Now make equation. Then according to question, what will be the equation? What number by what number should 60 whole 8 by 15 be divided? Means divided by x, because we have let that number to be divided be x, right? Is equals to get 10 whole 4 by 5, right? Now you have to solve this equation and find the value of x. So before solving, you have to convert this mixed fraction, these two mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 50 into 60. 15 into 60 is 900. 900 plus 8 is 908 by 15 divided by x is equals to 10 5s are 50. 50 plus 4 is 54 by 5, right? Now convert this division sign into multiplication. 1 upon x is equals to 54 by 5. Is it clear? We have converted division sign into multiplication. Then we have to write x reciprocal, that is 1 upon x, right? Now next step will be, when you will transpose this 908 by 15 this side, left hand side to right hand side, then sign will reverse. Multiplication, here 908 by 15 is in multiplication with 1 upon x. So when you will transpose, it will be division, right? So what you will write next step will be 1 upon x as it is equals to 54 by 5 divided by, now when you will transpose this 900 by 15 to this side, then divided by 908 by 15 will come, right? Because here it is in multiplication. right? So now solve. 1 upon x as it is equals to 54 by 5. Now again division sign, when you will convert into multiplication, then you have to write 15 upon 908, right? Now can you cancel out? Yes, numerator with denominator. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8. Now further you can't solve. So what will come? 1 upon x is equals to 27 into 3 is 81. 81 by 454. Now we have to find out the value of x only. And here it is coming 1 upon x. So what we will do? Now we will do reciprocal. So when you will do reciprocal of 1 upon x will be x. So when you will do this side, left hand side reciprocal, then you have to do right hand side reciprocal also. Clear? So when you will do reciprocal, so 1 upon x will be x is equals to, and 81 by 454 will be 454 by 81. Right? Now convert into mixed fraction. When you will convert into mixed fraction, then 81 in 5 whole 49 by 81 will come. So 5 whole 49 by 81 will be the answer. Now 10th numerical, divide the sum of 5 whole 2 by 3 and 4 whole 1 by 4 by their difference. So first you have to calculate these two rational numbers sum, and then you have to calculate these two rational numbers difference, and then you have to divide. Answer will come. So first calculate sum of these two numbers, 5 whole 2 by 3 plus 4 whole 1 by 4. So what will come? Convert into improper fraction. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 3, plus 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. Now take LCM. LCM 3 and 4 will be 12. Then 3 4s are 12 and 17 4s are 68, plus 4 3s are 12 and 17 3s are 51. When you will add, 119 by 12 will come. Clear? Similarly, find out the difference. So difference of these same two rational number will be, here we have simplified already. So when you will convert into improper fraction, 17 by 3, right, minus 4 whole 1 by 4 is 17 by 4. Take LCM. LCM will be 12. 3 4s are 12 and 17 4s are 68. Now minus 4 3s are 12 and 17 3s are 51. 68 minus 51 is 17 by 12 will come. Clear? Now you have to divide. So clear? So when you will divide, when you will divide 119 by 12 by divided by 17 by 12, then what will come? 119 by 12 multiply. Convert this division sign into multiplication. Then 17 by 12 you will write as 12 by 17. Right? 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12 cancel. 17 sevens are 119. So 7 will be the only answer. Right? Now next numerical I am doing, that is 12th numerical. 12th numerical is James bought 12 whole 1 by 2 meter of cloth for the 4 windows and 2 doors of his house. If the cost of the cloth was rupees 40 whole 1 by 2 per meter, means 1 meter cloth cost is given, and you have to find out for 12 whole 1 by 2 meter of cloth, what was the money spent by James. So here cost of 1 meter of cloth. is given rupees 40 whole 1 by 2, right? Convert into improper fraction, this improper fraction into this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then what will come? 81 by 2. 42 is 80, 80 plus 1 is 81 by 2 rupees, right? Now you have to find the cost of how much? 12 whole 1 by 2 meter of cloth. Clear? So for more quantity, here 1 meter cost is given and you have to find out for more quantity. So for more quantity you have to multiply. So 81 by 2 multiplied with 12 whole 1 by 2, right? 81 by 2 into 12 whole 1 by 2 is 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. Can you cancel out any numerator and denominator? No. So you have to just multiply. 2 2s are 4 and 81 into 25 when you will do, 25 1s are 25, 25 8s are 200, 200 plus 2, 202. So 2025 by 4 will come, right? Now don't leave your answer till here. You have to convert into what? Mixed fractions. So rupees, you are finding cost now, so it will come in rupees. So rupees, when you will convert into mixed fraction, then 4 5s are 20, 0, 4 6 are 24, 1 by 4 rupees will be the answer. That means what was the money spent by Gems? So Gems spent 506 whole 1 by 4 rupees, right? Now from exercise 3D I am giving you sum number 4, second and third part, 6th numerical, 9th numerical and 11th numerical. Do in your classwork notebook. If any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay, bye bye, take care.